All right, what's going on, everyone? Like we've finally calmed down a little bit. Wasn't today wasn't as volatile, and uh, actually had a green day. But I didn't take any trades in my live account. I only traded in Top Step. But you can see we broke out of that the inside day candle from yesterday, and so we're looking bullish right now. So it should keep trending bullish. If it does not, it could really fall hard. But I think we let's see. This the right one? Yeah, this is it. All right. So maybe we, come up and maybe we bounce bullish for a minute. We could even go sideways, but I think we can have, um, some sort of a short-term bull move, and but I don't think it's going to be anything. It's definitely not going to be like the drop. So, all right. So getting to my trades for the day. I made 300. I was, the volatility from the last few days, I was really passive today, and I only played that break. I was waiting for the break of, of out of the inside day candle, in any direction. Um, Now in my, so I actually took two trades here. The first one, I got in a little too soon. I placed my order in the wrong place, and it filled. And once it got back break even, I went ahead and got out for it was like a $20 gain. And then I put the order back in where I wanted to get in, and then I got filled. Then I saw it came up here. Let me show you on the 1 minute. If it good, what am I doing? Nope, not trying to buy anything. All right. So it bounced up. My target was up here at 21. So it started chopping around a little bit. So I went ahead and I just exited the trade and took the profits. Um, you know, could have got an extra $90 if I would have just let it play out, but I can't be mad at 310. So I was going to. I'm on 1 minute now. So I was looking to play this move here on the 1 minute as well. I mean, in my live account, pretty much the same move, but it took off before I got the fill. I put the order in here and like back in this area when I was watching over on my in my live account, and then when I got the nerve to go ahead and put the order in, then that's when it popped right here, and then I missed it, and I didn't want to chase it, so I was waiting for some kind of pullback, which we never got, and until kind of right here. I almost took this one too, but it's already after my trading time, so I'm not gonna break my rule. I may come back and trade in the afternoon. This depends on how strong the market is, since we broke out of that inside day range. So we'll see. Um, if not, it's no big deal. I can trade tomorrow or whatever. You know. So that my goal today was just to really end the day green. So technically, I did, since I'm green in my Top Step account, and just to be patient and you know watch what the market is doing and then respond to the market. So I didn't want to trade it when it was like in this area back here. That's why I didn't take a trade in the first 2 hours, basically, hour and a half, because the price action was a little choppy. We didn't come down until right here at 10:30. So after 10:30, things come down a bit, and That's when we started seeing smoother price action, more steady price action. That's the thing. That's the one thing that I've noticed, that because from since last week, what has really gotten me is in the first like hour, an hour and a half. That's where I've gotten taken out from in my trading from for every day. Like most of my losses happened in the first hour and a half, and that's because it was so volatile. Not that we didn't get um, the right direction. Like yesterday, I was right on the direction. Just the timing was off because it was so volatile. So when I was studying last night, um, I noticed that if I would have just waited for things to come down a little bit, after like 10:30, 11 o'clock, then I would have had much more success, and I wouldn't have, and I would have had those same issues that I had at the beginning of the session. So it's good to see some green back on the screen, and hopefully this steady. I've learned a lot from the past few days, so I take everything that I learned into every day from here on, and um, hopefully we can continue with this nice steady in either direction, bullish or bearish. I trade either way, so this a little less on the volatility. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. You know, I hope we continue with this nice steady price action. It's a little bit easier to trade. So hope you all had as good of a trading day or better than I did. Actually, I did paper trade. I just want to bring this up. I did paper trade today, and I crushed it in paper trading. I started, just a couple of them didn't work out. There was, I can't remember exactly what happened with these trades, but I did really good paper trading. So anyway, it's a good day. See y'all tomorrow.